General Colin Powell once said, "A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work." This is exactly what each member of SB19 did. They worked hard and they remained authentic, which magnetized fans to support them. And after 5 years of their declaration in 2020, of their immediate goals, they are already able to achieve them. Congratulations, SB19, and as 18, we'll be here to witness your next goals as artists and amazing human beings we admire.
My personal future plans, gusto ko makapasok sa isang series.
Ang gatekeeper ng Devas na makikilala na mamayang gabi. Gagampanan ito ni SB19 member Justin. Abangan kung ano ang magiging papel niya at paano siya makakatulong sa mga bagong tagapangalaga ng mga brilyante.
Natuwa si Justin nang ma-preview ang episode tonight. Kwento ni Justin, nag-undergo siya ng acting lessons at fight training para sa role. Dream come true daw para kay Justin na mapabilang sa sangre dahil pangarap niya rin daw ang maging aktor. Napakagwapo talaga.
I know na excited din po talaga yung 18 kasi it's something different from SB19 from performing.
Produce ng parang music para sa atin. Siguro makapag rin, solo album din.
Ako nga pala si Josh Cullen. And this is the Lost and Found album concert. First ever solo album ko din ito.
Yung pinaka-plan ko talaga or yung goal ko is to buy my family a house. Gawa rin ako ng personal studio. Ma-acting parang at siguro kami magkakapatid. Share kami sa kwento.
Ako, pinaka-una kong gustong gawin gusto ko rin bumawi sa parents ko. As much as possible. Yes, gusto ko na hindi na sila mag-work.
Buong puso naman na bumibigay sa family. Gano'n. And I just want my family to have a life na hindi namin natatamasa noon. So, hindi naman yung parang may utang na loob ka.
At inubliga ka, hindi as
hindi po. Actually po, ako po nag-ano so, bakit po kayo hindi nanghihingi sa akin? Tapos sabi nila nahihiya. Sabi, ba't nahihiya? Kasi hindi po kasi kami magkasama ng parents ko nung bata pa po ako. So, na-meet ko lang po sila nung 2 years ago, something.
Siguro sa family, more than family.
Parang kasi growing up po kasi talagang nakita ko na yung hirap po ng parents ko, itaguyod kami magkakapatid. Sabi ko, pagka naging successful ako as an artist, talagang doon ko po talaga gagawin yung best ko.